Entertaining them.
What?
You have to be entertaining them.
No, he doesn't. He has to fucking cut my hair. Not fucking. It's not actually going to be a short video, is it?
It's the shortest fucking shaver ever. I got the fucking cups.
Why do you not have them?
Huh?
Huh?
How short do you want me to go at the back? Can I just do it?
I don't want you to just go
That's live a little, live a little.
I don't want you to go the whole way. It's going to be like that short, isn't it?
It's not going to be that short, mate.
It is.
I'm just doing it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it.
It is going to be that
I'm going to
short.
do it. I'm going to do it. We'll
Hannah,
do it.
isn't it? Isn't it?
We'll just do it. We'll just do it.
Nah.
Alice, you can just get a point stuff in the hairdresser, but we'll just do it. We'll do it.
I'm tempted to say fuck it.
We'll just do it.
Right, but you have to keep the line, like.
Yeah, there'll be a line.
do it, like straight.
Yeah,
like,
there'll be.
Yeah, no.
I'll make sure it goes like this, right?
Nah, like all the way round. Nah,
What?
I don't want to just pull fucking down shit.
You want that
like,
all gone?
All back here.
You want that all gone? Say the word, say the word.
No, no!
Oh, say the word!
Fuck! Oh no, don't do like that. Pull my fucking hair out.
You're quite thick here. Right, I'm just doing it. Fuck it here.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god, no way.
You're the one that said do it.
Nah, that's a lot of fucking hair just came out.
You don't want the bit at the back of it.
Just carry on now, I don't want to. Holy shit! I fucking hate you.
Come on, you said do it.
I knew this was a bad idea.
Like your mullet.
How short is it?
Do this, mate. Do that to your head.
Fucking hell.
Hey, it's in, look, it's in, right?
Nah,
No, I'm
don't
joking, I'm
short.
joking. So you want just kind of like this bit left?
Yeah, but like, keep it like
Okay.
around this area.
Okay. You don't know, you might suit this. 3 haircuts from Martin.
Hair is fucking everywhere.
Hannah, you're next.
Yeah, right.
Screw it, Steve.
You should have done this before school, actually.
Is this gonna get interesting again, or should I stop videoing?
No, video your whole haircut. Put it on
Okay.
Facebook.
It's not funny. It's actually just not funny. How short is it?
Quite short, mate. Just now it looks like someone's put a ball on top of your head.
It really does.
You can't see it yet, which is good. You can't see it, which is good. Josh is just gonna go mad.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Mom, can you come just come here?
Hey man, do you wanna come cut my hair? Yeah, sure. No bother.
Hey, how far up do you want me to take it?
Right. Here. Like, you see where the line is?
Yeah.
Kind of like along here.
Okay. Do you want me to take the hair up a bit?
No, just keep the line. Like, here. Just straight across there.
Yeah.
You see?
So this whole side that's going to go Harris, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is painful for even me to watch.
Huh?
Fucking hell. Just put none of this fucking swervy shit. Come on. Just fucking straight across.
Okay, you know.
Might need to find a new boyfriend now.
I don't know, mate. Alice might not, I don't know what it is. The line's just right. Right, I'm shaving it right up to the line, right? I'm going to take it short of the hang, right? So it's like up to the line, right? Give it that haircut.
Fuck. Holy shit.
I'm gonna get there. That suits you, mate. That actually suits you. This is good. I like this. I'll do Josh next week.
I'm sure I'd love you to do it.
Nah. Want me just to shave on this bit too?
Huh? We've not done this bit yet
Oh, let's
either.
do it. Done.
So glad hair grows.
Huh?
I'm so glad hair grows.
I know. Mate, this is kind of stylish. I like this. I'm taking it a wee bit short so it goes right up to line, right?
Fuck off, Hannah. Yeah, fuck off, Hannah. Go and learn your lines or something.
What?
Go and learn your lines or something.
I'm having fun here.
Like, I took it right up to the line, Harris.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah!
Yeah.
You see right to the line?
Yeah, no, but look, that foot there, it's like fucking sticking out.
Like, come
It's
here!
going over.
Fuck's sake, man.
Business.
Wait, don't let him see it, don't let him see it. Here, Josh. Check this out. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Fuck that.
Can we just shave it off?
Nah, don't fucking do it.
Is that a 0? Is that a 1?
That's like that.
So Martin.
That's a Eugene. Because he told me, he went, just shave all this off.
Grows back or something, does it?
There we go. Turn on, all the way.
Fuck it.
You're going to need some
I'm just gonna wear a hat like all the way to the fucking look. So,
You should get a tattoo here.
yeah. Fuck off.
Yeah, get like a mean China. I'm really gonna get one. Just because I got much of my other right though. But he is kind of.
I don't think they're savaging that much.
Where's the line on this one?
Yeah, that's fucking, I don't know.
You don't know what the line is in that bit.
It's like the opposite of a monk.
I don't know what to do with the other
Seriously,
foot.
mate.
Does it? What?
It does. It's different. Yes, it does.
Holy shit.
Are you serious?
It's short though.
It looks good though.
What, do you think you just leave it like coming down? Or
Yeah,
like,
that looks good. That looks good
What
like
do you
that.
think?
What?
Like coming down or like straight across?
I think it looks good like that.
Not like this on that side.
What? Wait, I'm
Just leave
confused.
that now.
No, hang on, I'm confused.
So just leave it like short, so like come maybe across a little
I'll
bit
fix it
more.
for you, but yeah.
Yeah, or just go up a little bit. I'll just say,
I don't think you should go up.
So yeah,
no,
you should keep it like that.
just leave it like so it comes down like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
but just smile up a
Yeah.
bit, yeah?
Yeah. You look like a thug. You look
Oh,
hard.
brilliant.
I'd rather not take 3 punches from you.
You could like spike it up and then make it into like a mohawk.
No. Yeah, maybe that's right. That's cool, mate. So how, should we open it, mate?
No, not this fucking hair.
Oh my days.
So much hair on top.
Oh, no. I'm not letting you get the tattoo.
Look professional, look professional.
Right, don't get carried away.
No, let's wait till this look.
Right, can I stop video now? I'm
Yeah.
getting bored. Any final words?
No.
Nah.
What else can I say?
Use finest the moments at here from. If you want a bowl cut, just come to me.